I'm here with Kai Morton from VTOL Aerospace, and it's a lovely day down in Brow Waters. We're actually at Calabash Bay or Calabash Point, and we've just witnessed a very smooth installation of some rotamarkers by UAB. Kai, do you want to just give us a quick summary of what went down today and some of the benefits from from a customer standpoint? Customer in this case was Ausgrid. They engaged you to do this service. So just talk to some of the benefits and what went down today.
Yeah, so today we've done an install of 6 rotamarkers up on the line. This is a run that's quite a way above a waterway active use, and today's installation was to help with seaplane safety and prevention of a strike. It's very important because this, for that reason, in addition to the boating factors as well for things like a yacht strike. If this technology wasn't available, then the options that we could have done were to drop down the whole line and have a significant outage for people, or we could have had a helicopter come in, which was quoted up that has a significant risk of human safety factors that are involved, not to mention the price of